Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to ALN Studio tutorial 66. And today's topic we are talking about is how to add a single dot animation in a multi-cloud architecture diagram in ALN Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select cloud architecture feature. After that you would get a pop-up to select the kind of diagram you want to generate and kindly choose multi-cloud because for today's demo we are understanding about multi-cloud. So I have already generated the diagram for my use case. It is that a company's main application is on AWS, but they do backup on Google Cloud Platform, and this diagram got generated in just 15 to 20 seconds. Now today we are talking about animations. So kindly go to this animation panel, click on this single dot and start the animation, and you can see that the dot is flowing around the edges. Now if you want to increase or decrease the size of the dot, you can do it from here. You can change the color of dot from here. You can change the glow color of the dot from here, and if you want to increase or decrease the glow intensity, you can do it from this bar. If you want to increase or decrease the animation speed, you can do it from here. So this helps you visually represent how data moves between different cloud components. So basically adding a single dot animation in Airline Studio helps you to make your multi-cloud diagrams more interactive and easy to understand.